अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, क्लास 11th लेक्चर नंबर 6 दैट इज अम ब्रोट लेक्चर कर सो ओब्लिक प्रोजेक्टाइलस पे तो ओब्लिक प्रोजेक्टाइल को कंप्लीट तो नेक्स्ट दैट इज हॉरिजॉन्टल प्रोजेक्टाइल क्लियर तो हॉरिजॉन्टल प्रोजेक्टाइल पढ़ने खतर गस ओब्लिक प्रोजेक्टाइल तो पता आसन थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ना में डिटेल्स मज ये पढ़ना भी तूत डिटेल्स मज कह इत मे तथ मज वोन अगर प्रोजेक्टाइल फिलहाल वन गो ओब्लिक दिस हॉरिजॉन्टल प्रोजेक्टाइल गो क्या तम पतन करो डिस्कस अमिक पैरामीटर्स पैरामीटर जरूरत आसी क्लियर सो व्हाट इज हॉरिजॉन्टल प्रोजेक्टाइल व्हेन an object is given some initial velocity parallel to horizontal axis at some height from horizontal velocity parallel to horizontal axis at some height from horizontal axis and left free to fall under gravity alone. This is the basic statement about what is horizontal projectile. Clear? यम चीज अत मज मे वो यम चीज वो अम पे बनाओ डायग्राम ताकि गि क्लियर सपोज दिस इज हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस हॉरिजॉन्टल मीन्स एक्स एक्सिस now what will we have to do as when an object is given some initial velocity object is initial velocity din parallel to horizontal axis you see velocity as parallel at some height means say this is y axis clear and let us suppose from here this is y coordinate we have to give velocity from here parallel to y axis say u is the initial velocity given to the projectile now and left free to fall under gravity this object you see object is what guys you point bone This velocity this you can one you say and this clear parallel to horizontal axis velocity parallel to horizontal axis at some height from horizontal axis and left free to fall under gravity it will fall like this say this is point A but korim touch horizontal axis clear after falling now in order to find the different parameters iske mein agar different parameters asan find out karin to gasan zu cheez pata asan ago x coordinate at any time t bego y coordinate at any time t clear yani ki position along x and position along y but at some time t clear तो tim kith kain karo is tat khatir chhe equation of motion parmas equation of motion karo is use yani ki itin chhe actually wuchi motion actually ke chhe wuchi itinas motion of projectile let at time t any time t या after time t let this p be the position of the projectile after yem satan you throw core yem satan you project core am patan go kya time 10 second 20 second या 15 second kya time go let us suppose you projectile wo yothas point p s nish ye kuta pok x sekin ये वो क्यों था एक्स की this means यूता पोकी x की 0 पे युतस तम say this is x coordinate is the yasa x this means ps की x and y kin kuta पोकी के यीचा ये बड़ा करो इसी प्रोजेक्ट ये पोकी दा that is comma y these are the coordinates x y now यम इज coordinates is find out कर अगर यम ज coordinates पता लग तम पता हेको अस प्रेथ का पैरामीटर यथ मजन कैलकुलेट कर तो यम किथ कन करो अस कैलकुलेट by using equation of motion clear आज मुझे थोड़ा बहुत पता लेकिन let us suppose u be the initial velocity of the object parallel to x axis in the direction of x axis then uy in the vertical direction as this is velocity vertical is there is no vertical velocity and this is vertical velocity keen am patan gesi fall out ye pay bone what the point is nish one ke wucho is now the position बाकी पैरामीटर्स यम अथमन पेट कन लेकिन तम गई लेकिन तम की यम अम्ब्रोट कथ मजन कोन ओब्लिक प्रोजेक्टाइल्स मज द पोजीशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट या प्रोजेक्टाइल द पोजीशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट और प्रोजेक्टाइल आफ्टर टाइम t after time t along horizontal direction is x equals u of xt plus half of gt square equation karo is use itnas now u of x is equal to x kin kaza velocity dizayım says that is u velocity so u of x equals u of x equals u acha what is g sorry gt ne kaise ko at square itnas ashu can at square or we can write ax into t square ax into t square acha what is ax here ax is 0 why is ax 0 ax kya is 0 because projectile shine kahin ti fuel emission kahin ti fuel as use kor me on amrot if says oblique projectile mas kor at mazan shine fuel use gasun at mazan gesne fuel use kin agar bu kani fuel aktul so laga bu ye building her ken bu laga ye mesh that is horizontal projectile clear yen sa ye mesh laga am patan paki ke broad ye pas pat bon emis rois acceleration in horizontal direction keen acceleration means change in velocity gets emis change along x keen clear yim z equation trawos petmis mas yim z points trawos petmis as keneri x equals u into t plus 0 that is x equals ut x equals ut vartunda x equals ut this is the position coordinate in horizontal direction position coordinate in horizontal direction similarly the position of object or projectile after time t in vertical along vertical direction is y equals uy of t plus half of ay of t square clear now what is uy it is initial velocity along vertical direction kya is this initial velocity along vertical no bonku na as koriso the project is straight parallel to x axis means uy will be 0 clear now what is ay that is acceleration now it is under uy is 0 velocity is 0 initial velocity is 0 that does not mean emphasize final velocity is 0 initial velocity is 0 but it is moving under gravity so it has an acceleration of g and it will be positive क्या मोशन along downward directions मज clear यह हमेशा positive clear गो horizontal projectiles मज हमेशा positive नुन obliques मज नुन negative minus g so put these two values y मज then y will be equal to 1 by 2 g t square. This is y coordinate. This will be the y coordinate. So y equals 1/2 of gt square. This is the y coordinate of the projectile at any instant of time t. Clear? Now see. Yeten karo is byak cheez discuss, that is velocity. First position. Position vector. The position vector of projectile is, that is r, which will be x I cap plus y j cap. Position vector agar we put in straight line after position can represent, this will give us the position vector, and position vectors must be x I cap plus y j cap, but x is, so r will be equal to u t I cap plus 1 by 2 gt square j cap. This is the position vector of projectile, horizontal projectile. This is the position vector. Clear? Now second point, second point, that is the velocity. That is velocity. That is the velocity. What will be the velocity at time t? At time t. Let Vx represents horizontal velocity. Horizontal velocity at any time t. Then what is Vx? Since velocity gets along horizontal change keen, means just initialize, so I say Vx at any time. So Vx will be u, not u cos theta, not u sin theta, but simple u. Clear? Similarly, let Vy represent vertical velocity at any time t. Then Vy will be equal to, velocity clear? As v is dx by dt, Vx dx by dt, dx by dt is u, d by dt of ut, u never, d by dt 1, so it is u. So Vx will be this. Now what will be Vy? That is at any instant of time, what will be the velocity along vertical? Vy equals dy by dt, which equals g into t. Yet come differentiation, 1 by 2 g twice t, 2 cancel, gt, so gt. So Vy will be gt. Vy will be gt. Clear? So in vector form we can write velocity. Vector form as velocity, that is at any instant of time v will be equal to, vector v will be equal to Vx I cap plus Vy j cap. Clear? So, or we can write V equals u I cap plus gt j cap. This is the velocity at any instant. At any instant. Or what will be the magnitude of this velocity? Magnitude kuta aise? Magnitude of this velocity will be v equals under root u square g square t square. This will be the magnitude of the velocity. ये point थे थोड़ी याद इतने. Displace position vector, velocity, magnitude of velocity, magnitude of position vector. तिम सारी चीज थोड़ी याद. I'm पता नहीं क्यों इतने बाकी चीज calculate करें. Now, first thing I'm पता नहीं क्या करो इस calculate. That is the path of the projectile. I'm brought to one path of the projectile. किस किन करो इस calculate by finding the relation between x and y. Finding the relation between x and y. Path of the projectile. या trajectory of the projectile. So इसमें हम brought to one trajectory का मतलब क्या हो? Path का मतलब क्या हो? Path or trajectory of projectile. क्या उनमें दस x to y दरमियान relation find out करें. Since y is equal to 1/2 of gt square, as x equals u into t or t equals x divided by u. U तौर में और so y will be equal to 1/2 of g x by u का square. 1/2 of g by u square into x square. This whole thing is constant. This sorry is constant. 1/2 of g by u square. ये क्या है constant? U g is constant acceleration due to u is initial velocity. You get any change? So y equals some constant into x square, where k is equal to 1 by 2 g by u square. Clear? Now this equation y equals kx square represents parabola. It represents parabola. You see parabola से अच्छा खुसूसियत आख जे युस अथ parabolas middle point, central point. सो छ मानतो तुई अकिस coordinate यानी कि अकिस axis सित coincide गसान. Either x or y. फिलहाल वुचो तनस it is y. Clear? तमिस खतर छ kx square. यानी कि गोडनिच टर्म यस छ अथ मजन. That is यस अस एम्ब्रोटाई tan theta into x. Tan theta into x. So बन 0 इतनस. Clear? कैसे कि ये पॉइंट छ x क वैल्यू 0, y क वैल्यू छ के बट x क वैल्यू छ 0. इसलिए बनी गोडनिच टर्म यत मजन 0 तो दयम टर्म बचे kx square. This is also a parabola. Hence the path of the projectile, horizontal projectile, is also a parabola. Is also a parabola. It is a parabola. Clear? Now time of flight. Now time of flight. Time of flight. Now we have to calculate time of flight. Time of flight calculate करने खातिर y coordinate. हुत मस्ती y coordinate, यत मस्ती y coordinate. Y equals ut plus half of gt square. Uy. Now what is uy? It is uy is 0. Uy is 0. Now t is equal to t. Small t is equal to t. Small t is equal to t. It is the time of flight. At any time becomes time of flight. And during its time of flight, what is the distance covered by the projectile? M the distance cover. That is y. Which let us say this is h. This is h. Clear? So y will be equal to h. Clear? So putting the values here. Values h, it is not horizontal, it is not a horizontal range, it is not vertical maximum height, it is simply the height from which projectile was projected. So height yet patani projectile projected koryo is so height h will be equal to 1/2 of gt square. Sorry twice h divided by g and under root, which will be equal to t. So this is the time of flight. You have time of flight. Kemis khadre horizontal projectile is khadre. Twice h divided by g equals t. This is the time of flight. T equals under root twice h divided by g. Twice h divided by g. Clear? बाकी यम ती अथमसन पैरामीटर्स छ सारी थवन मद नजर. नेक्स्ट पैरामीटर कुस बन अथमसन हॉरिजॉन्टल रेंज. हॉरिजॉन्टल रेंज अस क्या छ कड़न horizontal range. Horizontal range is x is ut, x is ut, x is ut. Now horizontal range, that is OA. M kuta time new athanas t equals capital T. In order to complete this journey from O to A, the time taken by projectile is capital T. That is the time of flight. M kuta time kor consume O pe na watnas. That is the time which one is time of flight. That is why T equals capital T. But capital T is twice h divided by g. So x will become horizontal range. X will become horizontal range. That is capital R. So R will be equal to u under root twice h divided by g. This will be the horizontal range for horizontal projectile. Clear? Now, this maximum height calculate करें. Utmas करें maximum height calculate. But यह मज़न करना maximum height calculate कि इनके ऐसे किसी हेरेस बोन वाला के horizontal projectiles में maximum height calculate करें कहीं. Clear? So these are the parameters which we have to use, which we have to calculate in case of this projectile. R equals u under root twice h divided by g. Or you see R R equals under root u square twice u square h divided by g. U तो अंदर even u square अंदर के बाकी difference कहीं. अगर वापस करो square root गैस cancel near be वापस. Clear? This is all about horizontal projectile. All about horizontal projectile. The next is third type of projectile, inclined projectile. Clear? फिलहाल गो आज